Class 10 children, today we will learn some of the important questions of chapter banking. So here I read a question for you. Ram has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 2 years at 8% per annum. So here 2 years will be called as n equal to 2 years, and which has to be converted into months. So 2 years equal to 24 months, and rate is 8%, so rate equal to 8%. If he gets rupees 2500 as interest, so here interest is 2500 rupees, so I wrote interest equal to rupees 2500. Then find the monthly installment. Monthly installment means P. We have to find P. The amount of maturity. So amount on maturity also in shortcut we can say matured value. So matured value is question mark. So these three things have been given and two things we have to find. So I am using number one formula, that is I equal to P into N bracket N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. Now here I am using arrow because I have the value of interest, and the value of interest is rupees 2500. So I have put the value equal to P is unknown to us, so I wrote P only, into N is 24, and in bracket 24 plus 1 into R value is 8. So I am putting the respective values here, and only P was unknown to me, so I wrote P here, and 2 into 12 into 100. Now same 2500 equal to P into 24 into 25 into 8. Why 25? Because 24 plus 1 is 25 by 2 into 12 into 100. So once this bracket has been opened here, I am starting to cancel here. So while cancellation here, 12 2s are 24, and then with this 2 and this 2 I cancelled. Next 25 4s are 100 and 4 2s are 8. So I could see here only 2 and P are remaining. So 2 into P is 2P, and then to find P I am interchanging this both the numbers. 2P came here and 2500 came this side. So if I make P alone, then 2 will come and divide. So 2500 by 2 is 1250. You can cancel, and value of P is 12 rupees 1250. So my first answer, the value of P has come. Now my second question is to find maturity value. So I have one more formula which you can check in the formula list. Matured value equal to P into N plus I. So here just now I got P as 1250 into N was given previous year in the question, that is 24. So 1250 into 24 plus value of I also was given in the question as 2500. So that I am putting here. Now after this multiplication I got 30,000 plus 2500, and if we add it, 32,500 rupees is my maturity value. So children, you can see this question and practice this question. These are the very important question. One more question I want to discuss here, children. Sonia deposited rupees 600 per month. So the money in the form of monthly installment is called P. P is rupees 600 for 2.5 years. So time is 2.5 years, and 2.5 years if you convert into month, it is 30 month in a recurring deposit account. If the rate of interest was 10%, so R is 10%, find maturity value. So you have to find maturity value. So these three things are given and you have to find maturity value. So first of all, I will find interest. Interest equal to P into N bracket N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100, where P is 600 into N is 30, N plus 1, 30 plus 1 into R is 10%, you can see here. So all the respective values I have put 2 into 12 into 100. Now I'll open this 30 plus 1 bracket the open, then I'll write 31. 600 into 30 into 31 into 10 by 2 into 12 into 100. So now I can cancel. While cancelling 2 and 30, 15, and then 10, sorry, these two zeros have been cancelled. Then here 2 5s are 10. Then finally nothing remaining in the denominator. Now we have only 15 into 31 into 5. So after I multiply these three numbers, my interest, that is my I value, is 2325. So once I get interest, my question is to find maturity value. My formula is maturity value equal to P into N plus I, where P is 600, you can see, N is 30, 600 into 30 plus, just now I got I have put this value, and after addition, this multiplication 18,000 plus 2325, and final answer is 20,325. Very important question, children. Please practice these questions. Thank you, children.